Do you want to make extra $200 per day online? Earning money online has been very easy in this digital age, and AI makes it super fast as well as super easy. Today we are going to use ChatGPT in its full potential to generate commissions. Don't worry, you don't need premium version. You can do it with your free account. Step 1, go to Quora and create an space. Create here. It's very easy, so I'm not gonna do it right now. After registration, you'll see this dashboard where you can manage your space and content. Here you can see my views and all my contents. Step 2, click on answer tab. Select a question which you want to answer. I'm gonna choose this question here. Copy it. Step 3, go to ChatGPT and paste your question with this prompt. Copy the whole article and go to Quora space and paste here. Step 5, paste your affiliate link here. I'm currently promoting OLSP system because this system provides everything you need. Your affiliate link is connected with highly converting sales funnel with 7 different products. You can start this system only with $7 and you'll get 100% commission every time you sell. To join this system, click the link in the description. After you log in, you will see this dashboard. You can see 3-step training where you learn about the system and you will get this product absolutely for free. And on the right side here you can see your affiliate link, and I have generated $40 in last 24 hours, and you can see over 600 people generated at least one sale in last 24 hours. Now copy your link and go back to Quora. Paste your affiliate link in different places like this and post it. Don't expect to get thousands of views in your first post, but if you do it consistently, you will get hundreds of leads every single day. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to check out the OLSP system.